Stockton Products introduces Tru-Weep, a complete line of stucco accessories specifically designed for accommodating drainage mats within stucco assemblies. The Tru-Weep product line maximizes the drainage and ventilation by aligning open air slots with the drainage mat. Weep holes cannot be clogged with stucco because the slots are located directly under the drainage mat. The 2021 IBC now requires additional drainage mat between the water-resistive barrier and the cement plaster over wood-based sheathing. This new requirement covers types 3, 4, and 5, which is a significant portion of the multifamily construction market. Tru-Weep horizontal joint is a single-piece control joint that provides a mid-wall drainage point. The lower flashing leg will redirect moisture away from the assembly, while also allowing internal airflow circulation. Tru-Weep M-Slide is a two-piece expansion joint that accommodates movement at floor lines while providing drainage and ventilation. The Tru-Weep Soffit Drip is a single-piece soffit drip that provides drainage at the corner of a building, while also allowing internal airflow circulation. Tru-Weep Vertical Joint is a single-piece vertical control joint designed to properly accommodate drainage mats with flashing legs to accommodate WRB layers. Tru-Weep Window Head Flashing combines a weep screed with a window head flashing into a single-piece accessory. Tru-Weep Foundation Screed is a weep screed with a counter-flashing leg meant to redirect water while protecting balcony waterproofing. Tru-Weep Base Flashing is a weep screed with a counter-flashing leg to direct water away from dissimilar claddings such as stone veneer. Top Vent Stucco Screed is a single-piece vented plaster stop specifically designed to be used with drainage mats to efficiently allow water vapor to escape. This accessory installs against the sheathing to fully encapsulate the stucco assembly and ensure all vapors will escape through the concealed air slots. For more information, visit StocktonProducts.com.